Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah, amma ba'du. So, uh, in this video, I would like to present my portfolio when I was in IDN boarding school. Okay. In here, you can see the table of content. First, I will introduce myself, and then we will see my curriculum vitae, and then we will review my game projects, website projects, IT projects, multimedia projects, Android projects, English projects, ini projects, and last is documentation of achievement and awards, and also experience that I get in this school. Okay. So, my name is Kenzana Firdaus. I want to be a web developer soon, and I'm school at IDN boarding school. Yeah. And at the left side, I have my curriculum vitae. This is my curriculum vitae. I get it on LinkedIn. Before I go to IDN, I at elementary school in Bekasi, Tariq bin Ziyad. And then I go to SMP IDN boarding school, and for the vocational high school, I would like to join IDN boarding school Sentul, because there is a special program that is IDN Backpacker. Okay. Now we will get into my IT projects that I will make in IDN boarding school. Okay. So first game, I make catching fruit games in Scratch. So it's about so we move as a ball, and then we can move it to the right and left. And there is two type of material that come out from up. There is apple and a bug. If we catch the apple, we get point, and if we catch the bug, the point will be decreased. And next, I make Islamic Adab game. This game is about showing the ethic of a Muslim, like ethic of sleep and others. Okay. Yes. I make it in Scratch. And next, I make block breaker game. This is just same as in Nokia phone. So later we will move as the stick above this, and the ball will bouncing just like a ball. And if you touch the blocks in here, you will get the point, and until we win. And next, I also remake the legendary game that is Pac-Man game. So this is the Pac-Man, and this is the enemy. If we touch the coins, we get point, and if we touch the enemy, we will die, and game over. Okay. Next, I make Fruit Ninja game. This is just like what we play as a child. So later there will be a random fruits in the screen, and then we will cut by our hand. And this game is open cam, so we can slash it with our real hand. And next, I make game about Alien Invader. So this is just like legendary game space shooter. This is us as the player, and we are gonna shoot the enemy or the UFO here, and as you can see beside here there is a boss, big boss, and if we kill it we will won the game. Next, I make game about a defender. So this is the preview. This is just like we defending our base. So the gray blocks beside here, it is our base, and then here is us as the player, and the red tanks here is just our enemy, and we must to define our game from the enemy. And the last I also make a Bomberman. I'm sorry. Okay. I make Bomberman. This game is about to bombing like terrorist. This crab here. We must to bomb the crab. Okay. This is us as the player, and we can bomb the crabs and we will get point. But it's not as easy as I say, because we can also get damaged by the bomb that we use. So if we put the bomb, we just get immediately to run away from the bomb. Okay. Next, this is the second grade in the second semester in 7th grade. I'm sorry. And we change the platform we use to make game. First, I make crossing road game. This game is about a ball that we must to go right and left, avoiding the obstacles beside there. And as you can see here, there's diamond. If we touch this, it will become a point. And the red pillars here is the obstacles that the ball must avoid it. And next, I make switching ball game. This game can take your reflex. You can control ball by touching right and left button. So the ball will go right and left, and he cannot go straight. So you just do as the pattern here. You must to do you must to follow the road. Yeah, just like that. And then I made racing car game. This is just a basic car game. So the car will racing, but with no one. And if you touch the things that will be beside here, you will get a point. And the last in Wheelbox, I make game about I remake a Dinochrome game from Google. So this game is about a dinosaur who running in the desert, and he must avoiding the cactus. Oopsie, auto close guys. Auto close. So continue after game. In IT projects, I also make website. Here I made 3 types of website. The first is personal website that I use until now. I use it for being my portfolio. So I input all the projects that I've made in the website. You can see the website here. Kenzi Anafirdaus 05.id. And next, I made a mosque website for my hometown mosque. The mosque is called Raudatul Jannah, and and you can search it Roda Tujana Bekasi Timur in Google. Later, if there is button for website, you will go to my website. And next, I made school website. This is only for project. I didn't give it to the real school. This website is about showcasing the school, like what the material there, what the event in there, and what the programs, just like that. I made these two websites using Google site. Okay. Next, we're going to the 8th grade, and I make IT robotics projects in 8th grade. So firstly, I made a remote control robot. So in here it's called the chip here is called microbit, and it will be the brain of any robot that we use. Nah, for example, we use a car bot. I forget the name. And then first we code the program into the microbit, and then we will place the microbit to the car bot. And then we can control using remote control that we also code using microbit. And next, I make a line follower robot. So here, the robot will go across the line, across the black line, and he will not follow the white line. So he will detect the floor that is white or red or black. If it's black, he will go forward. If it's white, he will search the black color to follow. Okay. Nah. Next, I made a vending machine using microbit. So this simple robot here, simple chip in here, it can be useful for anything. For example, here I make a vending machine using microbit. This is array. I make 3W tajam. Okay. So this is just like normal vending machine. If we put our hand upon the microbit, later microbit will detect our hand, and he will open the place for the candy to comes out. Okay, next I made a greenhouse. Next I made a project about greenhouse. So this microbit will detect the humidity, the temperature of the place beside the microbit, and the result of the humidity and temperature will come out from the screen. This in microbit. So here microbit also have screen, but only have 5 times 5 bit pixel. Okay, next. This is the projects I made in second semester of 8th grade, and we changed the tools that we use in robotic from microbit to ESP32. ESP32 is also a chip, like a brain from the robot, but this is the hardest version. And I use Walkwi. Before at microbit, I just use a drag and drop code, but in here I use a coding platform. So we must to write or use AI. Okay. Okay. And then next, I also make a smart garden. This is the same as I made with microbit, but in here we use ESP32 and it's a lot more harder. Okay, that's all from IT projects. Okay, before and the last of IT projects I made I mean the second last of IT projects I made Android application in 9th grade. I made astagfirullah. Satu kelas, sir. Satu kelas, sir. Okay. The first project I made in 9th grade, especially in Android, I made a name card app with Codular. This application will be our digital name card or ID card. In here we can put our data, our profile, our name, what job we have, and another information like WhatsApp, LinkedIn, and others. And next, I made Find My Age app with Codular. So this app will calculate our age. This is really for lazy people because here we will put our date when we born, and then we click when we click the button, we will show how our average looks in our age. And next we make Talk to Me app with Codular. This app will just say what word we write in the column here, and we'll speak what in the column here using AI. And next I made Radio Online app with Codular. This app will be like Morotal, same thing. It will show, it will review the audio at the app. And next I make a calculator app with Codular. This is not just a basic calculator. In this calculator we have so many much feature, just like calculate a rectangle, even a trapezium, a circle, and so many others. And next, this is the last project I made in Android. In last semester I made, and we changed the platform from the Codular into what is this? Visual Studio, and we use the Dart language for program the application. Okay, so this Itaqwa is the same app like Muslim Pro. It will remind us like the daily prayer, the how to calculate zakat, and the video dakwah here, and so many other feature. This is very special project because I made very long. Okay, and the last is multimedia projects. I made UI UX, 3D design, and motion graphic using these kind of apps. I made UI UX here. It's an application about traveling. And next I made a landing page here or website, and I made a 3D simple house design, and I made animation or motion graphic using Adobe After Effects. Okay. Nah, not only in IT, I also upgrade my English skills using this type of project like motivational speech, chair of the day, podcast, presentation, tutorial, short movie, and we do this each semester to upgrade our English skills. And for Dunia projects, we also made hadis poster, akidah poster, and fiqh mapping, conversation using Arab language, and da'wah in YouTube. And we made all kind this project in every semester. So after we learn from the teacher, like in the 7th grade we learn about wudu, we will make the poster. After we learn, we will continue with da'wah. Okay, next is the last is experience and achievement that I get in Ayana Boarding School, and this is just maybe 20% of all experience that I get in IDN, like Mission Impossible. So this event is about me and 7 of my friends had to sell items with more expensive ones. Nah, so for example, we get a box of Isoplus. Maybe in a regular price we sell it with maybe 3,000, but because this is a mission, don't know how we must to sell it with the expensive one, like 10,000. And my team, one of my team, ever sell one Isoplus from 3,000 to 100,000 for Chinese mom. And then next, I join character building. In this event, we pretending to be blind and cannot move our hand. In here, we will feel to be sorry sir, auto close. Okay, so this event we feel how to be a disability person in the world. We got no hands, we got no eyes, and this event teach us to be more grateful and thankful for what we got from Allah. And next, I joined EduRace. EduRace or education race is one of my memorable experience. So me and my 5 teammates managed to the Kota Tua in Jakarta from Daih Jonggol using just 100,000 rupiah, and we must to race with other teams beside us. And next we make IDN Fest. This event is actually will be present every year. This picture is when we 8th grade. Okay, IDN Fest mean IDN Festival. So here each class make a stand and selling items and promote their own items, and they show off the projects they made at there. Okay, so this is not the net actually. This is the certificate I get from online courses, like I get from Sollearn and Skillful, like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, because in the future I would like to be a big software engineer. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching this video. Keep spirit, and let's say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.